In this short tutorial, I'm going to guide you that how you can get your GitHub profile link in mobile. So let's dive in. First, you have to open any browser on your phones. You can open the Chrome browser or you can just go into Safari. I'm using Chrome browser for the process. And now just type in the browser github.com and then log into your account. Once you're in your account, you have to click this icon on the top right corner, your profile icon. And then you simply have to choose this Your Profile option. And it's going to open this page for you. Once you're on this page, you can see on the top you have this URL. Just click it. Once you click it, you'll get your profile link. You can copy this, and that's how you get your GitHub profile link in mobile. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.